Okay guys, in this video we are going to create a temperature conversion program to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. At the top of our program, let's declare our variable temperature. Okay, double temperature. Okay, temp in short. Okay, for the short form of temperature, and then go ahead and declare the unit. Okay, that would be char unit. Okay, unit that could be Fahrenheit or Celsius. The user can select Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now, with my program, I would like to add a title that as the beginning. Okay, I'll just go ahead and type std cout temperature conversion. Okay, and at the end, I will also add one more line to show that is the end. Okay, it's totally not necessary, but it's something that I like to do. Then I'll add another line of output at the end of my program, that is this one, and to show the user that the program is over, I will add just bunch of asterisks. Okay, I said totally not necessary, but it's something I'll just like to do. I'll display. Okay, and now we will go ahead and prompt the question. Okay, unit would be F as Fahrenheit and C as a Celsius, right? And now ask the question, what unit would you like to convert to, right? Next I will prompt the question, what unit would you like to do? Okay, then I'll take a unit as an input. Input would be std standard C in unit, right? User will hopefully type in F or C depending on what they want to convert to. Let's check to see if user type in F. First, if unit is equal to the character F, that could be capital letter or small letter, right? I'll type if unit is capital letter or small letter, that would be in both sense. Then we have to use all or logical operator, right? If any of them is entered by the user, then we will go ahead and execute this line of code, right? Then I'll prompt the question. Okay, enter the temperature in Celsius. Okay, then C in user will enter the temperature in Celsius. Then to convert temperature in Celsius, okay, we have to user enter temperature in Celsius. We need to convert into Fahrenheit, right? For that we have formula that is temperature is equal to 1.8 into temp plus 2.0, right? And now just take a print out of that. Take a print. Temperature is suppose 22 in Fahrenheit, right? Input temperature to store temp, that is the temp to store temperature, right? And to convert our temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, we can assign temp is equal to 1.8 into temp, right? If user would like to convert the Celsius, I will add to else statement. Okay, I'll go the else with the else, then type else, right? Go ahead in the else part, C, right? And prompt the question, enter the temperature in Fahrenheit, right? Then temperature in Fahrenheit. We have formula to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, no, that is not the, this is the formula. Okay, 1.8. Now let's go ahead, take a print out for that, like temperature in temp, right, in Celsius. In Celsius. Now what if user does not type in valid response? If user type invalid response, then we will go ahead and consider one else part. Okay, what will be the else part? Please enter only C or F, right? Then we will just go ahead, write else, please enter C or F, right? That should be everything. Let's try this temperature conversion program. Okay, let's just press Control S, hit run. See, we have message, temperature conversion, F for Fahrenheit, C for Celsius. What unit would you like to convert? Let's go ahead first consider what is the first Fahrenheit, right? And once you use foreign F, then it will take input in Celsius, right? Then 22, hit run. Okay, that's incorrect. That should be not the way, right? We have to first select our unit, not the number, right? What unit you like to convert? Let's go ahead, type C, right? Enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Now let's go ahead, 32 Fahrenheit temperature. Okay, in Celsius, what is a Celsius? 0 Celsius. 32 Fahrenheit, what would be the in Celsius? 0 Celsius. Okay, Now let's go ahead and type Celsius, right? What you need to do, you like to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? 32, 0 Celsius, right? We have to select F, type F, okay? Capital or small, and enter temperature in Celsius, 32 Celsius. In Fahrenheit, 89.6 Fahrenheit, right? Let's go ahead and check if we have entered in capital, okay? Like capital F, okay? And 32 in Fahrenheit, right? 89, right? We can enter capital or small. If we will enter any random, what happened? Let's see, not C and F, we will enter R. Hit run. Please enter in only C or F. Correct? That's the program, okay, to convert our temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Alright, everybody, that is the program to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. I thought we could use some practice using conditional operator as well as if statement. Well, that's the temperature conversion program in C++. Thank you.